Support the mines. Located in Balikpapan, Kalimantan, Indonesia, the remanufacturing factory of Hexindo, one of the distributors of Hitachi Construction Machinery. At mining sites all over Southeast Asia, we support the performance of mining machines that must run continuously 24/7 with providing remanufactured parts. The mines where these machines are running not only contribute to revitalizing the local economy, but also supplies valuable resources for markets around the world. We take pride in playing a role in Support the Mines. Our remanufactured parts pass the strict performance test set by Hitachi Construction Machinery's remanufacturing factory, and also reduce the life cycle cost of machines owned by customers. Furthermore, the timely supply of remanufactured parts avoids unexpected work interruptions and leads machines to stable operation. Our remanufactured parts enable more sustainable mining operations and contribute to realizing a circular society. Support the mines. We will continue to utilize our technology to promote sustainable industrial activities and build the future.